Hello all. Let's discuss this presentation. This presentation is all about the opportunity, the chance. This presentation is common and applicable for all people. It's like in this world, everyone are as a consumer. They are consuming, they are putting their expense in every aspect and daily life. So for them it is there. So with the help of their expense, how they can make an earning, that we are going to discuss this in this presentation. So before starting, we will discuss some basic concept. Before starting any project or any new work, what we are thinking, we will think for why we have to start this project or how we have to start this project. Because many people will think how, what to do, how we are going to do this. But before starting that, because if some people will say ki there is a wall, break this wall, so you are going to, or not only you, anyone can ask why I need to break this wall. But if you got a reason, if you got a why, that behind this wall there is lakhs of rupees, then immediately you will not ask how. You will gather all the resources and break the wall and get the get those money. So why is very important before starting any project or new work. So for this presentation or for this opportunity, we'll discuss some why people are looking for new opportunity or second source of income. It can be one of this. First is extra income. Everyone is expecting their increase their income, because whatever they are earning today is not sufficient for him or her or for their family. Second thing is they want to build a good house for their family. They want to take some luxurious car. Some people want to secure their job, because in current scenario there is lots of ups and downs in job environment. Many people are not feeling secure in their job. They are afraid of their responsibilities. They are afraid of next day what is going to be happen with their job. So many things are there. Recession is there, market, all market and businesses are down. So there are many points. Plus people are thinking for early retirement, because nowadays people are working for 12 to 14 hours daily, and they are not getting time for themselves and for their family. So they are looking to get some good earning as soon as possible and get early retirement to enjoy rest of his life or her life. Some people want to help society and people. Some people willing to develop good future for their family and children's, because development of children and their family is also a big challenge to their life. There are many risks also. Anything can happen with anyone. I'm not praying for that, I'm not wishing that, but situations are not in our control. And many people are thinking for good health. They want to sustain good health for a lifelong period. So there can be any why from this, or there can be any why similar to this. So let's discuss another concept, that Mr. J. Paul Getty and Robert Kiyosaki, they are the good author and they are the economist, famous economist and author in this world. They have discussed that the people around them who are working and who are earning in this world, they can be divided into four quadrants. E is employed, SE is self-employed, B is businessman, and I is investor. So people are there on left side are earning active income, means they are working. How much they are working, they are getting paid for that, like 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, they are getting paid for that. But people on right side, they are earning passive income, they are getting paid more than what they are working for, because I, like investor, for investor, money works for them, and for businessmen, system work for them. For businessman, he has developed a system, he has employed 10,000 people, and he has put a system to work all the people around them, and they work for businessmen and they give good amount of earning to them. So friends, as per the categorization, they have found out that they people are working based on their productivity pattern and source of income. For people on left side, their productivity is limited, that is 8 hours to 12 hours. Pattern, if we want to discuss, they have one pattern, like they are engineer, they are doctor, they are working in a single pattern. And being as a source of income, they have one source of income, they can increase it to two when they got to a working woman. If she also work, then in their house there are two source of income in their house. But for the people on right side, they, as an investor, they invest in many systems, in many businesses, so source of income got increased. Productivity, if we are going to discuss, then there are plenty of people working under them, so productivity also got increased. And pattern, so they have many pattern, they are investing in clothing, they are investing in electronics, they are investing in many different industries, so pattern is also multiple, so they have multiple system. And if we divide, categorize them, then people on left side, they hold 5% finance of whole world, and people on right side, they hold almost 95% of finance in this world. But if we say for manpower, then 95% of manpower are there in left side, and only 5% people are there in right side. So we need to think of something like business. So what all the patterns in this world for business? So for business, there has to be a manufacturer or service provider, and there has to be a service user, that is customer. And the, in between, the provider is traditional shop or franchisee business. So what they, to these people, like Subway, KFC, McDonald's, they have a system, and many people own their franchisee in different location, they have a network of their shops and franchisees system. So they give their franchisee to the people, and they, based on their standards set by KFC, Subway, these people, they have to maintain that standard. But there are many challenges in these businesses. We'll discuss that challenges. So first challenge is infrastructure. We need to have a good infrastructure to set up the uh, facility We need to have a good capital investment to spend on many things. We need to have a experience in that field. We need to have manpower. We need to recruit many people. Plus, we need to train them to develop their skill, and recurring training is also needed to get refresh their knowledge. We need to have a backup fund, like this time lockdown period, so people are using their backup fund. Marketing, we need to advertise, market our services and products. There are competition. If you have seen in the previous slide, there are KFC and McDonald's, they are setting competition. They have changed, because KFC is for famous for chicken related products, but McDonald's also came into that products also, to get into the competition. There are plenty of risk. We need to have an accounting system, we need to have an inventory system, we need to have a logistic movement system and control, we need to have auditing. So we need to get audited, and what all the improvement points are there, we need to get those points. We need to bear for credits for third party and vendors. We need to have innovative ideas to bring and develop our services or products, and we need to get approval and their renewal from government agency and local authorities. So these many challenges need to be there, and you need to take care of these many things. So to cater that, many new platform has been raised on an e-commerce platform. These are called as 21st century business, like service based business opportunity. In this, Swiggy, if you are aware of Swiggy, you are aware of Uber, you are aware of Amazon and Flipkart. What they do, they have a system, they have developed a system which connect user with the service provider. So here rest other things are being taken or divided into service providers. Plus, but here also we have to get the software, we have to get the IT backup and many things. So plenty of headache is there in this system also. So we come to our initial, like traditional business, how traditional business goes. So in traditional business there are manufacturer and consumer. Manufacturer manufactures their products on 40% rate, like consider 40 rupees, and it goes through a market and reaches to the customer at 100% rate what he pays on MRP, like 100 rupees. So remaining 60% goes where it goes. It goes to middle party, like retailer, stockist, and the distributors, national distributors. Plus the big chunk of that amount goes in advertising. What they do, they refer, they encourage people, and on basis of what, on the basis of their face and the marketing technology, they doesn't know, they doesn't have faith, they doesn't have, we are not sure that they have used those products also or services, but they are advertising. Why? Because they are getting money. So based on this, we came to an analyzation that when a producer and a consumer comes together, they can save lots of money, and this can be done by forming the superpower known as prosumers. Prosumers, what they do, they save those 60% of amount, and many prosumers are becoming millionaires in the systems, and producers also are getting benefited with this products and system. So on the basis of same concept like e-commerce based system and formation of prosumers, we have developed a business platform and one education system because we need to have a learning, because learning is also an earning. So based on this concept, a great company, yes, Vestige, have came up and they have joined up with winning team system which give trainings on business growth. And will discuss on the company's profile. So here we have a management team. In management team, Mr. Gautam Bali ji is there. He's a managing director. He have got the award of best CEO of direct selling company in 2012. So such a great experienced people are there in this company, and they are guiding directing this company movements for that essential growth. We have Kanwar B Singh ji is a director in the system, and Deepak Sood ji is also a director in the system. We'll see the Vestige how they have got awards. They have got plenty of awards based on their work ethics. Vestige is a member of Health Foods and Dietary Supplements and Associations. Manufacturing facility received the good manufacturing practice and products are FSSAI certified. Vestige has awarded with certificate of excellence in productivity and quality and innovation and management by Institution of Economic Studies. As we discussed, Mr. Gautam Bali ji have got Best CEO award in 2012. The Vestige awarded as most admiring brand and leaders in Asia. Vestige upgraded to all ISO standards like 9001 2015 certified, and those are renewed frequently. Vestige has been awarded as a best nutraceutical company in 2017. Their products are halal certified as they are working in Middle East countries also. And we are proud to say that Vestige is an Indian direct selling association. They are member of this association. So these are the awards and recognition, and we'll discuss about the growth. Vestige is India's first company who have ranked in the top 100 direct selling company in this world, and currently they are at 30th rank. They are currently operating in 7 countries like UAE, Oman, Bahrain, Thailand, Nepal, Bangladesh, India, and these countries. We have 60 plus branch offices with 250 plus outlets all over the India. Yes, we are well spread in India. We are one we have 1 crore plus distributors in the system, and we have 79% annual growth rate as per last year analyzation. We have a success story of 16 years like from 2004 to 2020. So during this period, financial growth is like when they have started in 2004, and they have got approximately within a 2 years they got 4 crore of turnover, and as per analyzation of 2020 they are at 2600 crore of turnover this year. So we are, so there is a company means there has to be a product or services. So we are on e-commerce platform. We operate through online transactions, and we have our products from your morning to your evening or night. We have every products which you use in your daily needs. These products are affordable, innovative, and natural and highly effective. We have extensive range of products. We have international quality standard. Products are profit based and they are true of the money you pay for them. So as we talked about the range, we have a sharp air purifier, water purifier, we are in health supplement manufacturing, we are in food and fitness products, we are in personal care products, skin care and beauty products, women hygiene and cleanliness, we are good in health food supplement manufacturing, we are having oral care products, we are having home care hygiene products, we are with ayurveda, we are in ayurveda products manufacturing, and we also support in agricultural products. So where our manufacturing plant is located, we have 1 lakh square feet fully dedicated manufacturing unit at Bedi, Himachal Pradesh, the natural and pure location of India. We have in-house R&D lab for innovative products and their development. We maintain a high quality through a quality control department which maintain those international standards. So how we can get benefited and we can connect it with the system? So first of all, there is no registration fee, there is no annual charges, no renewal charges, no other charges. It's just by changing a shop. Whatever you are shopping from market, you have to shop from here. And for that, what you will get, if you compare with your kirana store or your any mart, so here there you usually get 5 to 8% of discount on MRP, but here you will get the 10 to 20% of discount on MRP of highly quality products. There will be no free products on your purchase, but here repurchase schemes goes from 1st to 18th of March, and you get almost 10% free products on your every purchase. There will be no loyalty because like you have gone to your kirana shop or demand from last 1 year 2 year or plenty many years, but they have not given a loyalty kind of like this month we are giving a free of charge of your monthly expense, but here you can cover that. We give almost 20% of loyalty bonus. That means if you buy 3000 products for 4 months, that is of 100 points, so on 5th month you will get 2400 rupees voucher free of cost. Means you can buy 2400 of product of your choice of free of cost. So there will be no profit share in your current existing shop, but here you can get 5 to 20% of profit share by the company on every month. In your existing shop there is no any such policy of returning your products or no exchange of products after use if you have not got satisfied, but we have 30 days of money back policy. So if you are not satisfied with the product, then you can return those products within 30 days. So those are retail shop, they doesn't know what all the content, what all the ingredient, they cannot explain those things. But here the person who is describing, who has shared this presentation, you can ask him or her about the content of the products because he has already been used this product, he is being using for since some period. he have faith on those products. So friends, we'll discuss one basic concept that for an average Indian, he is earning 30,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. So approximately 50% of his earning goes in daily use, that is as expense. 20% goes into health issues, that's also an expense. And 30% he saves for the month, so for his future planning. So friends, almost 70% goes into the expense, but with your own expense you can build your earning and your future. How? Let's discuss here. Your expense can be an income source. Like if you buy 3000 of products every month from here, so what you get? You get, if you buy it for 4 months, so how much you are getting benefit? Let's discuss. Almost 450 rupees, that's as 15% average discount. 300 rupees as a free products, 5% as a cashback, that is of 150 rupees, and 20% consistency, that is loyalty offer, 625 rupees. So all total is 1525 rupees for per month you are saving. So on your 3000 of purchase you have saved 1525 rupees. That means whatever products you have purchased, that got 50% off. Yes friend, on every product's MRP you are getting 50% off. So if you are calculating that annually, if you are putting as 1 lakh rupees as expense on your daily need products, so you are saving approximately 50,000 rupees. Friends, here you analyze, savings equals earnings. Let's discuss it's being as a customer only. So now if you go one step ahead, here if you have seen the benefits and the benefits and the profits, you have used the products and you got satisfied, so what you will do, because it's a good thing, so people share good things with their friends and other people. So if you start sharing, I'm saying sharing, not making any chain or members. It's not a membership scheme, it's not a that untrusted chain system. It's just a register yourself with your basic details like your email ID and contact number and start purchasing. There is no need of any extra membership kind of schemes. Members are there in gym. Okay friends, so it's a model plan I'm taking here. Can be, if you tell to your 6 friends or 6 people, it can be 2 or 3 or 10 or 20 people. So if you say or share this information with your 6 people, so it gives you, on their purchase it gives you almost 465 rupees as earning. And if this they do a same, like six people, they share this offer and presentation to 6 more people, so on the other 6 people purchases, like almost 36 people, so you get almost, you on their purchase you get 4500 rupees. So if it goes continuously and many people are connected with your friends, so if it reaches to 1296 people, because it's a continuous awareness, so where it goes you are not aware, so it reaches to 1200 196 people. So your monthly as a earning become 4,50,000 rupees. Friends, it's a just a teamwork. We are have seen many stories on teamwork. So it's a power of teamwork. So what we have to do, we have to share this information because it's a good thing, and good thing sharing and helping people is getting blessed by those people. So there are we are working on point based system. So on your every purchase you get some points. So like if you have purchased 30 rupees of product, you get 1 point. So if you cross 500 points, so initially you are at 5% cashback performance a profit share. If you crossed 500, that is 501 to 2000, it is 8%. So accordingly, if points goes on increasing, so you reaches to a bronze director, that is at 20%. Means whatever the products you purchase, you get 20% cashback on that MRP. Friends, this is a big amount. 20% of 3000 comes around 600 rupees. The extra than what we have discussed earlier as 1500 rupees. So there are at this level there is a bronze director. So there are many other levels also, like star star director, gold director, then silver director, then diamond director, then crown director, universal crown director, double crown director, and double universal crown director. So friends, these points are never expires. These points are cumulative plan. This plan is cumulative plan. So here all points are being collected in your account for your lifelong. So your whatever level you are achieving, that is of permanent. So friends, and this business is of transferable to next generation. Means by any chance you are not there, so your family, your wife, your children get the all the business on their name. It doesn't happen in your job, it doesn't happen in your business. So friends, here two offers are also there. Like if you reach 282 points in a month, so you directly jump to a 8% of profit share. And if you get 7501 points, you directly jump to a 20% discount. There are many other incomes and earnings. First we have discussed like performance bonus, that is profit share, then director bonus, that's of 14%, leadership bonus, that's of 15%, travel fund 3%, car fund 5%, house fund 3%. These are based on some your eligibilities, on your own purchases and your team purchases. So all those points are as per your and team purchases. So what here you have to do, here we have to like and share the information. What we usually do whenever we see any movie, we do the same. If we got any new gadget, we do the same, we share it to our friends. And if we see any new shop, then we share it to our friends. So there are many success profile. Is our mentor SP Bharil sir. He have got a great success in this industry. He has been awarded as most admiring motivational speaker, and he is a leader in winning team system. He and his family, you can see his lifestyle. So we are sharing some information related to earning. So Mr. Anup Gupta ji, he have earned as a monthly income on the just sharing. He is taking 19 lakh per month. Mr. Sagar Bamri is earning 13 lakh per month. That can vary with the turnover and the point value. Mr. Rama Solanki 4 lakh 72,000. Mr. Vishal Patadia ji 3 lakh 15,000. So there are many people. 96,000. Meena ji, Geeta, she is my upline. She is earning approximately 1 lakh per month on just sharing. She is doing on part-time basis. On part-time basis, friend, 1 lakh rupees just by sharing. So there are many people, friends, many housewife, many students, and everyone, because sharing anyone can do. So we are having a team of energetic and youth people. So friends, come and connect. You can be the next in this the system. So friends, thank you very much. Become a smart consumer, because life is changing. People are developing. People are coming into e-commerce system, IT system. So friends, why not we? We should also get upgraded and join into new revolution. So friends, thank you very much. For more detail, we'll discuss on this details. Thank you very much.